Do you want to know how you can log into your Spectrum Net account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Spectrum Net account. Go ahead and open your Chrome and Edge browser and then go to the Google search bar to search for Charter Spectrum Login or Spectrum Net Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this page of spectrum.net. Now, to log into your account or sign into your account, click sign in, which you can see over here. Now you can see that it has opened up a login portal, which is the official login portal of Spectrum. Now go ahead and write down your username, the password, and then click sign in. This way you can successfully log into your Spectrum Net account. If you want to stay signed in to this device, go ahead and click on this link, and if you have any kind of confusion and have forgotten your username or password, this is the link for you to recover your account again. I hope this video about how you can log in or sign into your Spectrum Net account was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.